The Breakaway System: How Money, Power and Fraud Built a Parallel State. 1. Learning the system. The speaker set out to understand how money flowed through a single neighborhood. This quickly led to a revelation: to grasp the finances of one U.S. bloc, one must first understand how global money operates. The system is centralized, layered, and intentionally opaque. Washington presents neat charts on housing or military spending but offers no clear map of local cash flow. Relational databases could do it, but the public is not given access. So what does that actually mean? It means local problems are symptoms of global design. Footnote: Understanding a neighborhood economy requires understanding global finance because the two are structurally linked. 2. From Wall Street to Washington. To see the system firsthand, the speaker moved through multiple departments on Wall Street, studying each market in turn. The conclusion? The real rigging originates in Washington, inside the Treasury and Federal Reserve. That is where monetary power consolidates. The next step was public service, a senior post in the first Bush administration as Assistant Secretary of Housing and Federal Housing Commissioner, the official who oversees credit, rules, and regulations for the U.S. mortgage market. What followed was a collision with systemic mortgage corruption. Black budgets were being financed with mortgage fraud. The speaker left government but not before discovering the internet and founding an investment bank designed to make financial information transparent at the neighborhood level. Footnote: Moving from private finance to public office exposed how mortgage markets finance off-books government spending. 3. Hamilton Securities and the $10 billion auction. Hamilton Securities Group, created after leaving government, became successful enough to win a competitive contract with the Clinton administration. Acting as financial advisor to the FHA, the firm ran $10 billion of mortgage auctions designed to curb fraud. But official Washington preferred to grow the fraud instead. This led to 11 years of litigation with the Department of Justice, 18 audits, 12 tracks of litigation, and physical harassment reminiscent of the film Enemy of the State. I played Will Smith in real life, the speaker notes. Her own office sat near the fictional attorney's office in the movie. Footnote: Attempting to reform mortgage fraud triggered retaliation and prolonged legal warfare. 4. Anatomy of the fraud. Mortgage fraud resembles a cookbook, thousands of recipes, each with the same goal: siphon public money. The Tony Soprano TV series even devoted 4 episodes to HUD fraud. The speaker's childhood in West Philadelphia featured boarded-up homes posted by order of the Assistant Secretary of Housing, a haunting foreshadowing of her future role. Basic version: FHA insures a mortgage. It defaults. FHA pays the holder and takes the property. A property worth $100,000 is resold to a quick-fix buyer. A new mortgage is issued for $250,000, far above value. The buyer defaults, FHA pays again, takes the property back. Repeat. Some properties cycled through 5 defaults in a single year. Variations include inflated appraisals and, at the extreme, issuing multiple mortgages on the same house, pooling them into Ginnie Mae securities, and selling them abroad. So what does that actually mean? It means HUD's insurance fund became an ATM for organized fraud. Footnote: FHA inventory allowed repeat flipping and over-collateralized mortgages, draining federal funds.